Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can cash a check on Monzo. Now, you can actually pay a check into your personal or joint account in the app for up to £500. So, if you're using a business account, you're going to follow these steps instead. You want to go ahead and tap the home icon in the menu, okay, in the app. Tap on the home icon in the menu, and then you want to tap on the account you want to add money to. Of course, guys, then you want to tap add money underneath your card. So if you can't see this button, guys, what you're going to do is you're going to tap on the three dots and then tap on other ways to add money and then tap on checks and follow the steps they have given, all the prompts they have given, follow their instructions, okay? And basically, guys, it takes up to 3 business days for the money to show into your account if you're depositing checks in the app. Okay, so it's really easy and simple. And if you want to deposit, uh, you know, over £500, you can, of course, do this by post. So hope this video helps you out, and if it does, consider, guys, smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn those bell notifications so you get notified of the next video, and I'll see you in the next one.